The Samsung Galaxy J15 Prime 5G is here, and it's turning heads with its premium design and powerful features, all at a budget-friendly price. With a stunning display, impressive camera setup, and all-day battery life, this smartphone is perfect for anyone looking to enjoy 5G connectivity without breaking the bank. Stay tuned as we explore everything this phone has to offer. Today, we're diving into the Samsung Galaxy J15 Prime 5G, a smartphone that promises a lot for its price. Whether you're a gamer, a photographer, or just need a reliable daily driver, this phone might have what you're looking for. Let's jump right into its key features and specifications. The Samsung Galaxy J15 Prime 5G boasts a stylish and premium design that feels good in your hands. It features a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display that offers vibrant colors and sharp visuals, perfect for watching videos or browsing your favorite apps. With its 90 Hz refresh rate, scrolling through social media or web pages feels smooth and effortless. The slim bezels around the screen give it a modern look, while the punch-hole design for the front camera keeps the focus on the display itself. This design not only looks good, but also enhances the viewing experience, making it enjoyable for gaming and video streaming. Overall, the Galaxy J15 Prime 5G combines aesthetics with functionality, making it a standout in the budget smartphone category. Under the hood, the Galaxy J15 Prime 5G is powered by the Exynos 1280 chipset, a reliable processor that provides excellent performance. Whether you're gaming, streaming videos, or multitasking between apps, this smartphone handles it all smoothly. You have the option of choosing between 6GB and 8GB of RAM, which allows for seamless switching between applications without any lag. This is particularly useful for gamers who want to enjoy their favorite titles without interruptions. In addition to its powerful processor and ample RAM, this phone supports 5G networks, which means you can enjoy faster download and upload speeds when connected to a 5G network. Imagine downloading movies in seconds or streaming high-quality videos without buffering. The Galaxy J15 Prime 5G is designed for today's digital lifestyle, providing performance that keeps up with your needs. Whether you're into casual browsing or heavy gaming sessions, this smartphone delivers a satisfying experience. Making it a great choice for both tech enthusiasts and everyday users alike, the camera capabilities of the Samsung Galaxy J15 Prime 5G are one of its major highlights. It features an impressive triple camera setup on the back, led by a 64-megapixel primary camera. This high-resolution camera captures stunning details, making your photos look sharp and vibrant, whether you're shooting in bright daylight or low-light conditions. Alongside the main camera, you also get an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, which is perfect for capturing expansive landscapes or group photos without needing to step back. This lens allows you to fit more into your frame, providing more context to your images. Plus, the 2-megapixel depth sensor adds a professional touch to your shots, allowing for beautiful portrait photos with a blurred background effect. With features like digital zoom, autofocus, and LED flash, you have plenty of tools at your disposal to capture the perfect shot. Selfie lovers will also appreciate the 16-megapixel front camera, which takes clear and vibrant selfies. It even has features like screen flash for low-light situations, ensuring that your selfies look great no matter where you are. Whether you're capturing memories with friends or documenting your daily life, the Galaxy J15 Prime 5G has the camera features to meet your needs. Overall, this smartphone offers a well-rounded camera experience that is perfect for photography enthusiasts on a budget. The Samsung Galaxy J15 Prime 5G is equipped with a robust 5000 mAh battery, designed to keep you powered throughout the day. With this large battery capacity, you can enjoy all your favorite activities like streaming videos, gaming, and browsing the web without constantly worrying about running out of power. When it's time to recharge, the phone supports 5W fast charging, which means you can quickly get back to using your device without long wait times. Imagine charging your phone while you take a shower and coming back to find it ready to go. This combination of a large battery and fast charging makes the Galaxy J15 Prime 5G an excellent option for those who are always on the move and need a smartphone that can keep up with their lifestyle. Whether you're a heavy user or just someone who likes to keep their phone running throughout the day, the battery life on this device will not disappoint. You can comfortably use it from morning until night, making it a reliable companion for daily tasks and entertainment. The Samsung Galaxy J15 Prime 5G runs on Android 13, paired with Samsung's One UI 5.0. This software combination offers a smooth and user-friendly experience. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, allowing users to quickly find what they need without feeling overwhelmed. With customizable options, you can tailor the look and feel of your phone to match your personal style. In terms of connectivity, the Galaxy J15 Prime 5G is packed with features. It supports 5G networks, ensuring you can take advantage of high-speed internet wherever it's available. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity options are also included, making it easy to connect to wireless devices or share files with friends. The phone also has NFC capabilities for contactless payments, adding convenience to your daily life. For added security, the Galaxy J15 Prime 5G comes with a fingerprint sensor, allowing you to unlock your device quickly and securely. Plus, it supports dual SIM functionality, so you can easily manage personal and work contacts without needing two phones. Overall, the software and features of this smartphone make it a practical choice for anyone looking for a reliable device in the modern world when it comes to storage. The Samsung Galaxy J15 Prime 5G offers flexible options to fit your needs. You can choose between 128GB and 256GB of internal storage, which provides ample space for apps, photos, videos, and music. If you find yourself needing even more storage, you can expand it further with a microSD card of up to 1TB. This means you won't have to worry about running out of space for your favorite games or capturing precious moments with the camera. With such storage capacity, this phone ensures you can keep everything you need right at your fingertips without constantly deleting files to make room for new ones. While the exact price of the Samsung Galaxy J15 Prime 5G has not been announced yet, it is expected to be an affordable option for those looking for a budget-friendly smartphone with 5G connectivity. For the most accurate pricing and availability, be sure to check with your nearest retailer or online store, given its features and specifications. This phone is likely to offer great value for anyone in the market for a new device. The Samsung Galaxy J15 Prime 5G impresses with its blend of performance, camera quality, and battery life, all at a price that won't break the bank. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who simply loves staying connected, this phone has what it takes to meet your needs. The stylish design, powerful processor, and solid camera setup make it an excellent choice in today's smartphone market. So, what do you think about the Samsung Galaxy J15 Prime 5G? Is it the budget smartphone you've been waiting for? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech gadget reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.